In order to download Spigot on your BisectHosting server, make sure to go ahead and stop your server. Then afterwards, you want to go to the left menu and select on Minecraft Tools, then select on Minecraft Jar. It is then going to bring you to a page that looks like this. Then you want to find this section that says Mod Loader, and just go ahead and scroll down, and then you should be able to find this option that says Spigot. So go ahead and click on it. Then from here, you're able to go ahead and install Spigot for 1.21.11 or any other previous version of Minecraft. So select on the version of Spigot you want to use. I'm going to be using for Minecraft 1.21.11. Then just confirm your version one more time, press on next, and now it is going to ask you what you want to do with your existing files. So you could either delete the files, store existing files in an empty instance, or install new jar on top of existing files. So this is 100% up to you, but for this video, I'm just going to go ahead and select on delete files right over here. So let's go ahead and do that. And then you want to press on confirm one more time. It is now going to begin installing Spigot on your server. And yep, here it is. And as you're able to tell, if we go ahead and press on home, we now have Spigot right here. So you can go ahead and start your server and you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.